Hey Dan, this is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. I appreciate you speaking with my partner Ashley on the phone and letting her know that we could send you this video. I'm actually just making this quick video to show you how to improve your website so that the customers start bringing themselves to you for free. And I know you're probably wondering why we're doing this for you. It's actually pretty simple. I used to own my own roofing company up here in Alaska, so I totally understand that business owners reach a point where they're too busy running the business. They don't have that free time to sit around and learn how to make the internet work for them and bring the customers to them. So the only thing holding owners back from hiring a marketing agency to do it is obviously they don't know what agency is an expert and what agency is going to be a waste of time and money. So we found that by making these free attack plans and giving them away for free, there are still a lot of owners who end up calling us back and asking us to do this stuff for them. So if after this video you see that we've got tricks up our sleeves and you know that we could do good work for you, then you can always give us a call back and we can chat. If you just want to take the information and fix your website yourself, please do. This is free education for you. I'm going to be covering 3 quick topics for you today, and that will be content, citations, and backlinks. So I've got your site pulled up here, and it's a clean looking site. I didn't find any glitches, and your call to actions work, so it's pretty good looking. Unfortunately, Google is not ranking you based on the appearance of your site. Google is actually using bots called crawlers that are scanning the content on your site to try and find keywords to rank you for. And so for Google, content is king. They need to know that you're an expert in the industry. So the more content you have, the better your chances. It's a good recommendation that your minimum amount of content is at least 1,500 words on the homepage and at least 500 words on each back service page. Not only does this show Google that you're that expert, but it also keeps in line with the 100 words of content for every one keyword. This is important because if you get too many keywords with not enough content to support, Google will treat you like spam, and that's something we don't want. Now going over here, I've actually pulled up an example of just one keyword. And I know you guys have a lot of different service areas, but this video is meant to just be courteous of your time. So I'm just showing you the potential of having your site optimized. So roofing contractors, Columbus, Ohio. This keyword is getting searched 210 times a month. That's a lot of roofs that you guys could be doing. Going down here, you're going to see this Google My Business pop up. This is like the map pack area. So you want to get your Google My Business optimized by uploading photos to it, as well as your company contact information. Once you have your contact information on your Google My Business, you need citations. And citations are just online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor. There's thousands. Get yourself onto at least 100 more directories than your competitor, and you'll start sliding up into the top 3 here. We know that's important to be there because people are lazy and they're not going to hit view all. So let's hold their hand. If we go down, we're going to see the organic search results. And the first company that is ranking for this high volume keyword is Newman Roofing. So I will be using them as your competitor for the remainder of the video. Over here, I've pulled up Newman Roofing's site, and we can see just how that 1,500-500 rule of thumb is really going to help you beat your competitor in content. But beyond content, I've pulled up a tool called Ahrefs that shows us what's happening on the back end of websites. So I've pulled up your site, and we can see you guys have a high UR strength of 37. I commend you for that. That's really good. That's what you want. But your DR, your domain ranking, is low. And this is done in part because of backlinks. Backlinks are when another site online is linking to your site and driving traffic to you. And Google loves it because they're really focused on the popularity contest. But just like a popularity contest, you need to make sure you're hanging out with the right crowd. So when you are linking your site to other sites, make sure that those sites are relevant to the roofing industry and they're high ranking as well. They need to have authority. Now, you have 2,660 backlinks coming from just under 300 websites. You currently have 624 keywords that you're ranking for, and all of this is giving you 132 traffic. I wanted to point out, though, that you also have ads running, and the issue with your ads is look at these keywords. These are not buyer intent keywords. When you spend money as a company, you're really focused on that being an investment for your business, right? So why are you guys paying for ads that don't show the intent of a customer coming to buy? Rubber roof shingle looks more like a possible contractor trying to look to do a replacement or someone just trying to educate themselves. And that has a 350 search volume. It's a national word though. So you guys are paying $3.50 every time someone clicks on your ad. The one that really got me though is the Benchmark Roof in Columbus, Ohio. I totally get that this is your company name, but it's only getting searched 20 times a month. You guys aren't even getting 10% traffic for it, but every time someone clicks on your ad, you're spending $35 per click for a 20 times searched keyword. That doesn't make sense in my eyes because there's keywords out there that have higher search volume and are cheaper. Like, let's see here. You actually don't have any that are really focused on service area except for sunroof installation, which is getting searched the same amount of times as your company name, but it's only $4.50 a click. It's much cheaper and much more cost effective for your company. I worry that you guys are not getting a good return on investment having $35 per click. And especially not in combination with all the keywords that you're using. Roof brochure. That definitely is not a buyer intent keyword. So my recommendation is to review the keywords that you guys are currently using for ads and check your cost per click. You need to make sure that there's actually a worthwhile search happening for those keywords that you're selecting. Just like the one I showed you that gave me your competitor, because that's 210 searches a month. That not only is more than your traffic that you're getting each month, but it's more than all those keywords combined. If we go over to your competitor, we're going to see they actually have right around the same, they actually have less backlinks than you, but the same domain strength. So a good method would be to go in and take the best backlinks that your competitor's using for high ranking and put them on your site, on top of getting more backlinks that are higher ranking so that you can really beat the competition. They have the same UR score, but they also have a few more keywords. All of this, though, is giving them 574 traffic each month. You guys know better than me how your business is going right now. So if your business right now, as it feels, is sitting at a 132, what would business feel like at a 574? Even if you're capturing half of the traffic coming to your site, that's hundreds of roofs in 1 month. So I wanted to show you guys the potential. Like I said, this is just one keyword that I went off of. There's a lot of service areas you guys cover, so the opportunity to really see growth and scale is possible. Just a quick recap here. You guys are going to want to get at least 1,500 words of content on the homepage, at least 500 on each back service page. Then you're going to want to get your company contact information put into as many online directories as you can. And then you need to go and get some high quality backlinks that are relevant to the industry. You ideally want to have the domain ranking an equal 1-to-1 ratio of your URL ranking, okay? If you guys do these 3 steps, you will be ranking #1 across Google. And I know you're probably wondering what to do with the information I just overloaded you with right now. You can go ahead and take this and apply it yourself. That's totally okay. Like I said, this was free education. All that we really are looking for is your feedback and thoughts on the video. But if you did want help with this because you enjoy working outside more than sitting in front of a computer screen, go ahead and give us a call. We'll have a chat and see if we would be a good fit to work together. Our partner will be following up with you here in the next few days just to get your thoughts on the video. We want to get that feedback. Thank you so much, and I really hope you enjoyed it and got value out of it. Take care.